Hello everyone, in this short video I will show you how to visually hide the terrain mesh grid in Archicad to improve the look of your 3D model. First, let's import the 3D.exe file. If you don't know where to download it, just go to TopoExport.com. You can get the same file I use in this video. The link is in the description. In a previous video, I imported this DXF file into Archicad. Now let's see how we can improve the visual appearance of the terrain. As you can see, even if I apply a texture on the surface, the black mesh grid makes it hard to appreciate the surface details and elevations. To hide the mesh grid, go to View, then click 3D View Options, 3D Styles. Now simply uncheck the option Show Contours and click OK. And that's it. As you can see, the 3D terrain surface is now much more cleaner and easier to read visually. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Archicad tutorials.